All right, we're gonna breathe a little life into this channel, give it a little bit of a revamp. Um, as you all know, I was a heavy investor in MindMed and the psychedelic space, but I cashed out my MindMed position, and all I hold is 1,700 shares of Atia Life, uh, which is down considerably. So I'll be holding, well, I should say bag holding for the long term. But I figured before I get into why I've started making the videos again, let's just go over my annual returns for the last few years. And as you can see, I've done pretty good, but the majority of the reason why I've done well is because these large pops from 2017 to 2021 are all due to long-term holds, and the main two holds are Canopy Growth, which I sold out in late 2018, late 2019, and then MindMed, which I bought in March 2020 on the IPO, and then I sold out. I don't remember at the moment, but I rode the wave up and cashed out at the top. And I don't believe in this cultist theory about like diamond hands and people shit talking you if you sell. Like, that's, first of all, not how you maintain your wealth. And secondly, who gives a shit what some guy on the internet thinks of you? It doesn't matter. But yeah, for the most part, that's how I've managed to accumulate my wealth. Some of you may be wondering, well, how do you start out? In my opinion, don't start out with 500 bucks, 1,000 bucks. It's just ridiculous. Just save your money, and until you have uh, enough of a substantial amount of cash to infuse into the markets, then you start. And then it also makes you a little bit more accountable for your actions. Like if you look at the screen here, between 2014 and 2016, that I started that with $20,000, and I did not add any cash into that at all. But why I'm making this video is because, pardon me, it's a bear market. And in a bear market, it's always the best place to start. The bottom is always the best. And the everybody was so euphoric and cash rich when the Fed started pumping money into the market that everything rose. A lifting tide rises all boats. But now that that cash has dried up and interest rates might be rising, we have to start looking at fundamentals. And at the moment, there are only two companies that I personally am interested. So we'll cover those and then, do some hit or miss topics on other things as we move forward. But those two companies are Palantir, which I know everyone's beat to death, but like the fundamentals and the balance sheet are impeccable, and there's a lot of growth here. It's trading at around 13, and I can't see it not being at least $100 stock within the next 2 to 5 years. And the second stock is Acuity Holdings, and now this is a advertisement for a mobile company based in Canada, but it does trade on the NASDAQ, and no debt as well, cash rich, very good business model, and very smart. And as we all know, add sell. So that's where we're going to start off the channel. I'm going to try and be more regular, and I hope you all enjoy the ride. So let's go for it.